guys, it's Riley, or else Thrifted over on Instagram and Poshmark, and today I am here with a Pounds to Platos. I've not filmed one of these in a while, and I know you guys are a big fan of the series, so let's get into it. If you do not know what my Pounds to Platos series is, it is where I go to the Goodwill Outlet, pay by the pound for stuff to sell at Plato's Closet. I show you guys what I purchased, I take it to Plato's Closet, and I'll give you a little check or X on the screen with which items they accepted or rejected. Hey everyone, it's Riley from the future coming in with an update. So this footage was filmed before I left for Korea. And so it was filmed spring 2021. So all the items that Plato's has accepted from me, they were purchasing for summer 2021 season. Also, this is kind of a half of a Pounds to Platos episode because the footage where I explain how much Plato's paid me and how much profit I made, that footage is lost. So this is just half of an episode where I show you what they accepted from me and what they rejected. I hope this information is still useful to you and you stay tuned for the rest of the video. The first three items I'm going to start with, if you have not seen this video yet, I did a Goodwill mystery bag unboxing that is on my channel. If I remember, I'll link it down below. If not, it should be one of the most recent videos I did. And so 3 of the items from that bag are going to Plato's. The first is this men's Gap shirt that is new with tags. I don't know if they'll buy this just because of the style, but maybe they will. Next up is this Exhilaration kimono. I feel like this is a slightly older piece, like from 2016 or something, but I might have purchased this at the bins to take to Plato's. So let's see actually the date tag in here. I'm curious. Target items do have date tags if you did not know, and also I think they have style numbers too, but not that you list it. It says it is from 2016. Yeah, I feel like that was when kimonos were popping. So I'm not 100% sure if they'll accept this, but it's going there. And then this is an item I'm pretty sure they'll reject. It is an H&M blouse. There's some pilling on it. It's not the cutest, most trendiest style, but we'll take it there and see what happens. Then moving on. Okay, so this is not in the bestest shape. I'm pretty sure they will reject this. This is from the bins. I bought a bunch of stuff at the bins without going through it because I hit a good bin, but right at closing time, so I just kind of grabbed everything without checking it over. So this is a pink shirt, Victoria's Secret pink, but there's a lot of pilling on it, so I feel like this will likely be a reject, but I'm gonna take it there to see. And along the lines is that shirt is the exact same shirt in the exact same condition, so I feel like it will be rejected, but we'll see. So this is actually my pile, I think, of flawed items that I couldn't send to ThredUp or do anything else with. So they're going to Plato's, and if Plato's doesn't buy them, they will be redonated. This is a Topshop tank. It's an older style. This is the older Topshop tag. If you did not know, they switched their tag up a few years ago. And I believe this was gonna go to ThredUp, but I think there was like very light stains on it, which I can't even see now, but just enough that I knew ThredUp would reject it. So it will go to Plato's. We'll see what they do with that. This piece. Okay, this was another flawed item. This is Zara. Not the cutest Zara piece, but there was something wrong with it. I don't remember what. Maybe there was, oh yeah, there's a light spot right here. So again, I couldn't send it to ThredUp because they would just reject it. It's not worth my time selling it on Poshmark. So to Plato's it goes. Then this is another Topshop piece that was flawed, and this was meant for ThredUp, but then I saw the staining when I got home. Again, it's like faint staining, but enough that I didn't want to send it to ThredUp and have them reject it. Like, again, I can't even find the staining right now. So super light and definitely still wearable. It's cute, but it is the older Topshop tag again. I was going to send to ThredUp, and then I decided not to for whatever reason. They're just Fila running shorts. So we'll see if Plato's wants these. I feel like this is all rejected stuff right now. This was an item that I was considering selling on Poshmark It is cloth and stone for Anthropology, so it is a newer piece since it's for Anthropology. But there was a stain on here that I missed at the bins. Wherever it was again another like faint stain that I just didn't feel like dealing with. So we'll see if Platos takes it. It has like a little fringy detail on the shoulder. Then I don't remember if this was flawed or not. I mean, I feel like it was flawed if it ended up in this pile, but this is another Topshop piece, older tag. And it's just like a knit with stud details on the sleeve. What are these? What are these? Oh, okay. This I did grab for Platos, but I don't know if they'll accept it because I've taken them jeans from this brand in the past that they have rejected. But this is a jean skirt. I think this was a Charlotte Russe brand, if I'm correct. So, but Charlotte Russe is out of business, so I think they tend to avoid their stuff now. But I did grab that, so we'll see. What are these? Okay, these are universal thread jeans. And these are mid-rise skinny, there's a fly. I considered sending these to ThredUp, but ThredUp doesn't pay out for Target brands, and I've sent them stuff which they've listed and not paid me for because they don't pay out for it. So these will be going to Platos because I'll probably make $1 or $2 from these. And they're saved from the bins, and these could be sold on Poshmark if you wanted to do the work to make $4 or $5, but I just have too much stuff to do that right now. This shirt is another universal thread piece from Target. Another blouse that's cute and good condition that I didn't want to send to ThredUp because they wouldn't pay me for it. And I'm mad that I had a really cute Nua Tags universal thread blouse that I sent to ThredUp. I was like, oh, they might pay me for it because it's Nua Tags, but they didn't pay me for it. So all Target stuff will be going to Platos from now on. Next is men's Nike Air Jordan t-shirt. As long as there are no flaws on here, I feel like they'll accept this because it's a men's graphic. And they always say they want men's, and I know I've said that in my videos in the past. These are Levi's. I think these are men's. Again, they say they want men's, although this inseam is pretty short. Are these not? I think, what are these? Are these boys maybe? Waist 31, length 30. That feels kind of short, right? Like, this feels short for men's. Whatever, these are going to Platos. They're definitely an older style. Like, this inseam fits in the screen. Does this inseam fit in the screen? Maybe, I don't know what these are. Okay, well, we'll see what happens with these Levi's. They have rejected my Levi's in the past and then also bought them. It depends on who's buying, obviously. So, Levi's. Then this is Fashion Nova, and I didn't feel like selling this because, again, it's not worth a whole lot. Although Fashion Nova, I'm pretty sure you can find stock photos for. This wouldn't be that. If this was like a cute dress, I might have sold it, but it was probably like about $12 to begin with. So this is going to Platos. Then we got another pair of universal thread jeans. These ones are distressed, raw hem. And these are a smaller size. Not that it matters, they're a 0. Off to Platos they go. Next up, I think these are men's again. Yes, okay, so these are Wrangler jeans. And these are like cute, these would make probably decent high-waisted summer shorts if someone wanted to do cutoffs or something. I don't feel like doing that. They're men's. They're a 32-36. So the other one was a 32-30. Yeah, those have to be kids Levi's, I feel like. Whatever, we'll take them to Platos and see what happens. So these Wrangler men's jeans, we'll see what happens with these. They might even buy these and put them in the girls like plus size section. But I think Wrangler is a pretty popular brand right now because of a collab they did or something, I don't know. This is, I feel like, another men's piece. This is Cactus Man. I remember I looked it up and it wasn't worth selling on Poshmark, so it ended up in my Platos pile. I don't remember. I feel like it sold at PacSun or something, or Zoomies. I don't know, one of those beachwear brand places. Then we got Topshot jeans. These are black, high-waisted. Are they high-waisted? Maybe they're not. I don't know if these are high-waisted. Whatever. They're black, like stretch jeans with distressing at the knee. I just don't feel like selling them. Is the reason I'm not selling them. So they're off to Platos they go. We have Levi's 505 men's 4230. 505s are like popular, right? But these are pretty big men's size, so I'm not gonna do anything with them. Wait, again, this is a small inseam, a 30 inseam. Are these women's maybe? Okay, I'm confused by the inseam that feels very short to me, but we'll take them to Plato's, and if they buy them, they can figure them out. Is that possible they're women's? I don't know. I feel like they'll accept these ones because it's a good wash and they're the 505s. We have this garage flannel. I don't actually remember where this brand is sold, and I don't know if flannels are still as popular as they once were. Actually, I know they're not, so who knows if they'll accept that. This is cute. What was this? I don't remember. It's Massimo from Target, but it's cute. It's just like a little flowy blouse. These are another universal thread pair of jeans, and these ones are plus size. And my Plato's is always pretty low on plus size. Oh no, is that a spot? Oh no, it's a fuzzy. It's a fuzzy. So hopefully they will accept these so someone can buy a nice pair of plus size trendy jeans. Okay, these. Collision. I don't know the brand. I think I looked it up, and again, it was like fast fashion, not worth reselling. These are sweatpants. I don't know if they are men's or women's, but again, if Plato's buys them, they get to figure it out. And they're like sweatpant joggers, so they're cute and trendy, which is what Plato says they want. But you know, we never really understand Plato's. This is men's. It says, oh, it's French Connection. That's funny. This is a men's UK style French Connection shirt, just a t-shirt. So, oh no, there's a hole in the front. This is a redonate hole right in the front that I missed. My bad. This is a Levi's tank. Kind of looks like there's a spot on the front, but there doesn't look like there is when I look at it. So Levi's tank. Men's Old Navy little embroidered graphic tee. These are women's Old Navy skinny jeans. Are these women's? These feel like girl size. No, they're just a 0 short. Okay. They're super teeny tiny baby jeans for a teeny tiny petite woman. Then we got this soft and sexy American Eagle blouse, and I think the reason I don't like soft and sexy, I don't really sell, and the reason I didn't send it to ThredUp is it's really hard to see the size. It also feels pilly, but I feel like that's just the fabric, so we'll see if Plato's grabs that. Then we have this Target brand Goodfellow. Yeah, I thought it was Goodfellow, but okay, checking. Goodfellow men's button-up shirt. And this is a like no-name brand fast fashion sweater, but I grabbed it to save it from the bins. It is cute for the right person, but here's the brand tag, and it is, as you can see, new without tags. Oh, this was a Shein blouse. I don't support Shein as a brand, but I do grab their pieces in the bins. Oh, sorry about the pile. You know, to keep them from the landfill, because this is a cute piece that is still wearable and I don't want it to end up in the landfill. Then we got this Terra Sky blouse, and this is a plus size brand. I don't remember where it's sold, but it's not worth picking up to resell. And this is another brand I sent to ThredUp, and they listed the romper I sent them without paying me for it because they don't pay for this brand. So I wish I had just kept the romper to take to Plato's Closet so I could actually get some money for it. Okay, this is a men's Volcom tank. hopefully they'll grab this because summer's coming up. Then this stuff has been sitting in storage for like a month, so I don't actually remember what's in here. We Are Stronger Together, Checkered, that's the brand. Graphic tee. It says girl power. I feel like they'll buy this. I'm pretty sure. But you know what? Every time I say that, they don't buy it, so maybe I shouldn't say that. This looks like an H&M tag, but there's no tag in there besides like a size tag for an extra small. So this is just a cropped long sleeve. And we have 2 more items left. What is this? This is just an Old Navy active tank. And it's got a twist detail in the back. And this is a men's champion shirt. I feel like, I'm surprised my sister didn't want this. Did I ask my sister if she wanted this? You know, it has a smoky smell to it. I'm not gonna ask. I'm just gonna send this to Platos and see if they accept it or not. Sorry for the dark room, but as I was editing, I realized I forgot to do an outro, so I hope that this footage was helpful to you guys to see what Platos accepted and rejected, and I will be working on another one to put out soon for you guys where I actually tell you how much they paid me and how much I profited. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!